how do you create this moving dot? Whenever I move the pointer, the dot also follow as well. So now let's have a look at the code. Here we have the moving dot component, and we are using the useState with object. And there are two properties inside it. One is X and the other is Y. And we set this position to 0. Alright. And down here we have the pointer move. This is the event handler. Basically, this will capture the mouse movement. Alright. So when I move the mouse here, it will set the position of X and Y. Alright. Then it will store the position of X and position of Y into these two properties of this position. Okay. Now we have the information store, and down here we have this styling. So we set the position to relative and the width and height of 100 view width and 100 view height. So we can move the mouse within the entire screen. Alright. And inside the div here, we have another div. Okay, this is the inner div with the style as well, with the position of absolute, background color of red. This is the red dot, and the border radius is 50%. This means that the dot is a round dot, not square. Okay. And the transform, this property, it just translates the positions of X and Y. When I move the mouse, the dot will show at the pointer. Alright, so this is what it does. We have the left and top as well, and this is the width and height of the dot. So if I were to change this to say like 50, okay, you see the dot now become bigger. And you also make sure to update this to 25, right? Half of 50. So it stays in the middle of the dot. Okay, so that's what it does. And if you wonder what the position dot X and the position dot Y look like, right? The number look like, then you can just console log down here. So this will be position dot X and position dot Y. Simple as that. Now let's have a look. So here, this is what that number look like. This is X and this is position Y. Whenever to move the mouse, it will update every time, right? So that's about it for this tutorial. You learn how to create a moving dot and how it works as well. So I'll see you guys in the next video.